What's up, Universal Traveller? My name's Daniel and I'm taking on a road trip around Western Australia. We've got 3 experiences, 2 travellers and 1 camper van. Let's do this. So our first local experience is wine. Best enjoyed in one of the finest regions of Australia for it, Margaret River. Here you'll find an endless number of award-winning vineyards and cellar doors. Hey, mates. So the second local experience is the
Valley of the Giant Treetops Walk.
That's it, hundreds of acres of Australian red gum and natural landscape where you're suspended anywhere from 30 to 40 metres. If you're afraid of heights, this might not be a walk in the park for you. So our third local experience to wrap up the trip is water. And to show you just how good it is, we've stopped off in Lucky Bay. Wow, he's gone for it. Universal Traveller, on behalf of Maddie and myself, thank you so much for tagging along on our adventure.
We cannot wait to tag along to one of yours.
Catch ya!
Bye!